Hi everyone, I'll show you how to remove and install SIM card in your Samsung Express 3, as you can see on right here. So it's really easy. You have to pull the back around this side. As you can see, there's a little hole on this side to stick your finger under and then pull it up. Once you pull this thing all the way around, once you remove this thing, you'll need to pull out the battery. Next, make sure the phone is off. Pull the battery out, and here's your SIM card tray, and the first one goes in SIM card. You can use something sharp to pull it out. SIM card. Here's your SIM card goes first in the phone. It shows which way it's supposed to be on the picture. I'll show you where. So you stick in your SIM card, it shows right here, and then memory card goes on top of the SIM tray. So here it is, it goes right here. You stick, and it's really easy to remove. Same way as you pull out the SIM card, just pull on it, and then install your battery back in the phone and cover. Thanks. If you like this video, please like and subscribe for more videos, and bye bye.